Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm a brand identity designer, and if you check out my Instagram in the description below, you'll see all my work over there. So in this video, I want to again stray away from FBA and back to general life mastery, because it's such an important lesson to teach you guys. You have to know this, and I'm so grateful that I have come to know about life mastery at this age. I'm 16 years old, and I truly believe I'm setting myself up for the best life possible. So let's find a little spot and we can discuss life mastery. How are we gonna do this? All right, yeah, let's just go here. So in life there is 7 areas, and understanding this just helped my brain understand success so much easier, right? Because people are trying to take in so much and overwhelming their brain with information. Guys, 7 areas, let's go through them. 1 is health. So that is your physical, how healthy you are, how your diet is, do you exercise, your physical body, how is that? Next is wealth, and that is your income. Are you financially free? Are you a millionaire, a billionaire? Have you got consistent income coming every month, or do you have to constantly work for that paycheck? Next is social. So I've got a fly in my eye. Social is friends. So are you hanging around with the right people? Have you got a network of like-minded friends who can influence and support you? Are you getting that side of your life? Next is relationships. That is obviously boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband, whatever it may be. Have you found that one like-minded partner who you want to share the rest of your life with? You want to take them on your journey as well. That is the relationship side. So the next one is wisdom, and that is your knowledge. So how smart are you? Are you an expert in your field? Are you knowledgeable about general things? Do you know a lot of stuff? Are you a master of your craft? Next is spirituality. That is your emotional side. Are you emotionally weak? Do you get upset often over nothing? Or are you strong in here? Is your mentality great or not? And then finally we have business, okay? And business is all about your vehicle. What do you love doing? Is it your passion to do your business? Are you making money doing what you love? Or are you working for someone else? Are you supporting someone else's dream instead of your own? So that is the business aspect of life. And let's just go through all these again. Health is your body, wealth is your income, business, that's obviously your vehicle, you've got spirituality is your mindset, emotions, you've got wisdom is your knowledge, you've got social, which is your friendship group, and you've got relationships, which is your key partner. So I hope you guys can understand that splitting life into 7 areas helps you achieve success so much easier, because instead of taking on the world, achieving life mastery is a pretty hard task. It is literally going to take your whole life to do, and you'll never even get there. So splitting it down into 7 areas is such an incredible thing to do. So now whenever I set goals, and I urge you to do this as well, split it into the 7 sections. So then you're working towards life mastery. Whereas if you're unsure, it's kind of cloudy in your head, it's kind of fluffy, you don't know what you're actually doing. Guys, 7 areas, it's so easy to understand. I want to go through these again to really drill them into your head. Health is your body, wealth is your income, business is the vehicle that gets you the income, social is your friendship, your networks, relationship is that one or 2 I don't know what you're into, that partner you're going to share the rest of your journey with until the day you die. You've got spirituality is your emotions and your mindset, and wisdom is your general knowledge. Are you an expert in what you do? And they all interlink. So having good wisdom for your business is great, because you want to be an expert for your business. So please understand that life can be split into these 7 areas, and it really does cover pretty much everything. So start setting goals in these sections: health, wealth, social, relationships. I say them in different orders every time, I don't know why. Business, spirituality, and wisdom. when I first learnt about this, it was like a little click in my brain just went, wow, okay, let's simplify this. This is going to be so much easier to tackle now it's into some defined sections. So again, what this channel is really about is my general life and my entrepreneurship and life mastery and my journey to fulfillment, and so far it's going amazingly. You know, I'm 16, that is 16 out of, you know, 100 potentially, let's say. That's going to be pretty amazing if I reach 100. So I just want to teach you every step of the way, and that's what this channel is about. So the Amazon FBA stuff, obviously that is my wealth. So having Amazon FBA, working on that as my financial vehicle, and then, you know, that's going to feed my business sector of my life, which is design. I'm a brand identity designer. So it all links together, guys, and you just have to become self-aware in each of these areas and work out what you need to do to improve them. And I'm so excited to bring you this video because maybe I may have opened at least one person's mind today, and that is just amazing to me. So I will catch you guys in my next video. I really hope you enjoy it. If you're not already subscribed, you know, feel free to follow me on my journey, because I'm so early on, I'm so young, and I just think it's going to be an incredible journey. You don't want to miss it, guys. So I will catch you in the next video.